Number 1.
1996 Ford F250, price $8,500. It features a 467.5L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a manual 4x4 drivetrain, offering solid power and reliability both on and off the road. The exterior is finished in tan, complemented by a matching tan interior, both of which have been kept in excellent condition. According to the current owner, everything on the truck functions properly, with no warning lights on the dash. It runs and drives great, and during the 2 years of ownership, there have been no mechanical issues whatsoever.
The interior remains pristine, showing clear signs of careful use and maintenance.
Minor rust spots are visible, as shown in the photos. The vehicle has been largely garage-kept and kept off salt-covered winter roads, helping preserve its condition. The tires are relatively new and still have plenty of tread, while the brakes on all 4 wheels offer excellent stopping power with significant life remaining.
Number 2.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000, features a dependable 350 small block engine paired with an automatic turbo 350 transmission, providing smooth and reliable performance on the road. Recently refreshed with new paint, the truck's body is straight and free from major rust, highlighting its solid condition and clean exterior. It rides on classic white steel wheels with chrome caps, fitted with good condition tires that complement its vintage appeal. Inside, the seat remains in good shape, though the dashboard has been removed and is not included, meaning a new dash will be required for completion. The truck also needs fender tags and side reflector lights, and there is a minor crack on the driver's side mirror. Overall, this 1986 Chevrolet C10 stands out as a well-maintained, running, and driving square body with fresh paint, solid bones, and great potential for anyone looking for a clean classic truck project or a daily driver with character.
Number 3.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. The truck features a tan exterior paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline, powered by a 5.7L Vortec engine. This Chevy runs and drives exceptionally well. It has recently received a complete front suspension replacement along with new shocks and brakes for improved handling and safety.
The transmission has been rebuilt and comes with warranty documentation as proof of the work completed.
Additionally, the entire ignition system, including the wires, plugs, and injectors, has been fully redone, ensuring reliable performance. The push-button 4x4 system functions perfectly, making it ready for both on-road and off-road driving. Other highlights include a brand new battery, less than a year old, and a new air conditioning system that works flawlessly.
Number 4.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. It has 167,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. The truck comes in a striking red exterior paired with a tan interior, running on a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine that delivers smooth and reliable performance. In 2025, several important upgrades were made, including new LED headlights, new tires, new brakes and rotors, and a new battery, ensuring it runs like new. It's also equipped with a brake controller for towing campers or trailers with electric brakes, complemented by both 4-way flat and 7-way RV connectors for enhanced towing capability. The truck includes a camper shell for added versatility, while the toolbox is not included.
Number 5.
1996 Toyota T100, price $5,200, showing 288,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine, delivering reliable performance and smooth driving. The exterior comes in an attractive blue finish, complemented by a gray interior, both of which have been kept in excellent condition. This truck stands out for its rust-free body, brand new tires, and tinted windows all around, offering both style and comfort. The air conditioning and heating systems function perfectly, ensuring a pleasant ride in any weather. While the check engine light is currently on due to an EGR valve issue, the truck runs and drives exceptionally well with no oil leaks or mechanical problems. With a clean title in hand and overall strong mechanical integrity, this Toyota T100 is a reliable and well-cared-for pickup that reflects years of careful ownership and maintenance.
Number 6.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a classic white exterior complemented by a blue interior, maintaining a timeless and clean appearance. Under the hood, it's powered by the dependable 350 engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission, both in stock condition, delivering smooth and consistent performance for a truck of its era. The suspension has been upgraded with Beltec drop shackles in the rear, providing a subtle lowered stance and improved road feel. Additionally, the front spindles are included to complete the planned February 4th drop setup, enhancing both handling and overall aesthetics. The truck now sits on brand new 20-inch wheels, which give it a more modern and aggressive look while still preserving its vintage charm.
Number 7.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It has 191,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. The truck sports a brown exterior and runs on gasoline. It's a single-cab, long-bed, two-wheel drive model powered by a TBI 350 engine paired with a 700R4 transmission. The vehicle runs and drives great, currently serving as a daily driver. It has been lowered using a Beltec 5.7 drop kit with a small underbed C-notch for improved stance and handling. The truck rides on staggered 20-inch Riddler wheels wrapped in performance tires, giving it a clean and classic custom look. Additional features include lightly tinted windows and a clean, clear title ready for transfer. With its reliable drivetrain, tasteful suspension setup, and stylish stance, this 1989 Chevy 1500 offers a perfect balance of vintage character and everyday drivability.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,500, equipped with a 5.7L TBI V8 engine, which was swapped in to replace the original 4.3L V6 before the current owner acquired the truck. The owner has had it for about 2 years and has used it regularly as a dependable daily driver. The engine runs smoothly, and both air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, making it comfortable to drive in any weather. After a header installation, the truck developed a small oil leak, though it continues to run strong and perform reliably on a daily basis.
The transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck maintains good overall mechanical and structural integrity, while the exact mileage is unknown.
The vehicle's condition and drivability reflect consistent upkeep and care. The Silverado combines classic American pickup styling with solid performance and utility.
Number 9.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. This truck is a dependable full-size pickup with around 250,000 miles on it. It comes with an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior, giving it a clean, timeless look that still holds up today. The truck's engine and transmission are running smoothly, and it's ready for a test drive anytime. It has been well taken care of, with new tires recently installed, making it a solid choice for both work and everyday driving. Despite its age, this Sierra remains a strong and reliable truck that still delivers solid performance and comfort on the road.
Number 10.
1989 Dodge D150, price $2,300. This truck shows 149,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a manual transmission. It features a striking black exterior complemented by a vivid red interior, powered by a dependable 3.9L V6 gasoline engine. The truck starts, runs, and drives well, offering a smooth and classic driving feel that reflects the sturdy build quality of late 80s Dodge pickups. While it's mechanically sound overall, it does have a few minor issues, a slight oil leak and a non-functioning gas gauge that could use some attention. With a bit of care, this truck has the potential to shine again as a reliable and stylish daily driver or an excellent project for any vintage truck enthusiast.